Struggling with the Conda executable not in the environment error? Stick around for quick troubleshooting tips in under 190 words. First, activate your environment using Conda. Activate your environment name. Double-check that Conda is installed within the environment by running Conda version. If not, consider reinstalling Anaconda or Miniconda. Ensure your Anaconda Miniconda installation directory is in your system's path. Modify the path variable or reinstall Anaconda, making sure to select the Add to Path option during installation. Verify that the Anaconda initialization script is sourced in your shell configuration file. Don't forget to restart your terminal or shell after making changes. By following these steps, you should be back on track. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Explore more troubleshooting guides in our playlist. See you in the next one.